Hello, thank you for joining this video. Here we'll explore our theme section for your Shopify store. So first of all, we need to go to our theme customizer, and then we need to choose the page where we'd like to add this section to. So keep in mind that you can actually add this section to any page. It works great for pages like Contact Us, About Us, Our Story. But for our example, let's just stay on this home page here. So we need to scroll down to the Add Section button. Then we need to click on it and search for our theme section. So once we add this section, here is how it looks like. Here it is, and now let's click on it to customize it. So first of all, we see the heading. We can rename it to Meet Our Team or your brand name plus team, or just simply remove the heading altogether. These also works as well. So next we have the cards alignment. We can choose either left or center. So right now we have 4 examples, so everything is centered here. However, if we go back here and, for example, hide one of the cards, as you can see, we now have this left alignment, and we can change it to center, like here. So now let's just return our one card that we've hidden. So this is also the way how you can not remove the block altogether, but just simply hide it, not to show it on your store. So next we can show borders. As you can see, we have these gray borders. We can also change the color, for example, of these borders here. Or we can just simply click here and we will not show any borders for this section here. Then we can also make the layout full white. So if this container is unchecked, then the container white will be set based on the group layout settings in the theme settings. So we go to theme settings, layout here, and we see that the container width is set to medium, 1680 pixels. We also have the small and large available. So unless you tick here make full width, then the container width will be set according to this here. So now let's move on. We also have the offsets for the desktop and for mobile. We have them for the top and the bottom. So if you want to have the spacing between your previous sections, you can either add this offset, just add it to any that you need, or we can simply remove it. As you can see, we no longer have any space here and any space here at the bottom. Just feel free to modify it according to your needs for your desktop and for your mobile as well. So now let's move on to our cards. So we go to our team section, and then we click on this first card here. So here you need to add the image of your team member, the name, and the role. So for example, let's click here. You need to have these pictures in your Shopify store library. Feel free to add it to your Shopify admin panel via content files. But let's choose these pictures here. So this is our first picture. Let's now add the name. You can type anything that you want, the full name, only the first name. So just feel free to type in anything you need. And the same is for the role. So for example, we add the customer support agent, and here it will be reflected. We can also add the second card. So let's continue. Let's just add it in here. So we'll add, for example, this picture. Feel free to just add any text that suits you. Then don't forget to save your changes. And also let's take a look at how this section looks like on the mobile version. Because as you can see here, we have 4 pictures, 4 items per row. And we can also add more and more cards. So right now we have 4 of them. We don't have any limitation here, so you can add even more. And just you'll have several rows with 4 items per row. So this is how it looks like on the desktop. And if we switch to the mobile, then this is how it looks like. We just simply can swipe through here. So as you can see, we have these these cards in here. So this is how it looks like on the mobile version. So now let's save our changes and let's take a look at our store. So we click here to view. We just need to scroll down to the bottom of our section. Here it is. As you can see, we have these pictures, we get the name, and we get the role or the position of the person we've just added. If you want to change the order of these cards, you can easily do so by clicking here to toggle them. You can also remove blocks. So if you added more than you need, or if some people that are in here are no longer your teammates, you can simply remove the block. Or if you want to hide someone's picture or someone overall, you can just click here to hide this card. You can do the same with the section overall. So we can toggle it to change its position, for example. As you can see, now we have this here and this section up here, and we can also click here to hide this section from our store. And these are all of the instructions on how to set up our theme section. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. We're always here to help. And don't forget about our theme manual, where you can also find all of this information in here. Thank you very much for your time and have a great day. Bye.